Look at them good chunks. When they be blew up.
Yeah.
Going in with the new.
You know, going in with the new.
First axle almost all the way out. Second one coming out soon. Boy. I got that hoe. Yo, both axles out. Both of them. Just pulled the diff out. Yes, sir. Time to rebuild this motherfucker. Yo. We blew the diff for sure.
Yo.
What up, y'all? It's been a few days since I last got back from shop. But yeah, so after me and Lil Chris pulled that diff out, realized we couldn't get the pinion gear out. Then I realized some more stuff anyway, and I was like, I don't want to deal with none of it. So I went and dropped it out to somebody. He finished it up for me for $300. Got my new bushings in, and he got it all put together for me. I just gotta add fluid in it and put it in. We're gonna put it in today. Try and get it in by tonight, break it in. Let me know what kind of diff fluids y'all got. I got a couple of these, but let me know what you use, cause I heard this was good, so I got this kind. Probably start using oil like that too. I don't know. Right now I've been using Mobile One, but I don't know. I might use that oil too. I know it's high, so it's either high for no reason and they got a big name, or it's high because it's good. But like I said, I've been using Mobile One. I need an oil change now, so I'll probably get some Royal Purple. But yo, tap in. I got a new decal to put on because y'all can see, like, I washed the car one time and it started doing that. It started peeling off, so when I take it and wash it, I'm gonna pressure wash, take that part out right off. Then once I do that, I'm gonna slap the new one right there again. Yup. Hopefully we taking her off the jack stands today. Yeah, y'all see this. No disrespect to the company, but fuck them damn apartments. If you live in Memphis, do not move to the Bartlett Crossing. Do not. Alright, man. What you gonna do now? I'm gonna get set out here.
Hey, John.
Yeah, we sure was.
I'm gonna get that home, Pete.
Now they want to stop and talk. See what I'm talking about, man?
Yo.
See that? Yeah, go on over there and set your jack up.
Man, it's on the goddamn ground.
Right by the tow company yard out here. Putting that new joint in. Man. And if y'all move to Memphis, do not move to Bartlett Crossing apartments. Them folks some bullshit. And they discriminating all this shit. Them folks ain't like me since I came over there. But anyway, fuck them. We ain't gonna be here too long anyway. But we finna get that right. Just got the one side in. Got the loop. Got the bits up in there. Got this axle in. Now just hit that other side. Put that one in. Roadside with it. Since they want to tow my stuff. We're getting it done though. Last side, man. Finna do a little test real quick. We got everything put together though. Finna go see. Dirty as hell. Man.
You already know. Yeah, one coming.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
But man, this did good letting them motherfucker cool down to break it in real quick. I'm gonna get some pulls after I get it broken in and change the oil. Alright, y'all. Yeah, I know I'm driving and recording, but I got it. Anyway, we got it on cruise control to break it in. Almost back at the house now. I need to be going over there to the car wash. But yeah, almost back at the house now. And y'all might be peeping something, y'all might not be, depending on if you know what it is or not. If you know, you know. So yeah, if you know, and if you don't, you'll find out soon. I'm gonna be dropping a video of it. But yeah, if you know, you know. It's time for me to go. I'm finna go put these pipes on because it's loud as hell. Matter of fact, let the window up. I'm finna go put these pipes on though because it's loud as hell. So yeah, be right back. What's up, y'all? It's the next morning. See, I'm finna go and put the pipes in. I gotta put them back onto my cats. And then I gotta put them back on. Don't mind the trash in the back. It's been a project car for a month. We back right though.